Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question, and we are going to solve one more official guide question. The range of question is 650 and concept is subject verb agreement and idiom. Alright, so let us begin. If you wanna know shortcut, so first of all read and check what error it can be. So in short, if I discuss, it says a recent national study of the public schools shows that there are now one microcomputer for every 32 pupils, 4 times as many than. So as many than is incorrect, it should be as many as. So option A out, option B out, and option D out. Let with C and E. C says there is now one microcomputer, fine. E says every 32 pupils now has one microcomputer, 4 times as many as 4 years ago. Alright, so C should be the given chance. Why? Because 4 times as many as 4 years ago is incomplete, and that was the shortcut. Alright, so whenever you look at idiomatic error, eliminate option from idiom's point of view. After that you find other errors and then go to elimination. If we discuss in detail, so let us understand one by one. It says there are now one microcomputer for every 32 pupils. So whenever any clause starts with there, subject is always after verb. What is verb? Are, right? Then subject will be one computer, and that is why it is incorrect. So option A has subject verb agreement error along with idiom's error, as many as there were. Now, though instead of there were, it should be as many as it was, will be the better one, because there were and after that we do not know the nouns, and that is why it is incomplete. Anyway, let us move. There is now one microcomputer for every 32 people, fine. 4 times as many than there were. Again the same problem in option B2, and that is why option B out. C says there is now one microcomputer for every 32 pupils, 4 times as many as there were. So what I find that in each option there were, we do not have any option of it, so we have to choose quickly. All right, now look at option D. Every 32 pupils now have. So have is fine or not? This is one of the question. Remember people, whenever any phrase starts with every, subject will be considered singular. So what if it is plural? In that case, instead of every, it should be all 32 pupils. In that case, have is okay. But when we start with every, each, either, neither, subject is considered singular, and that is why it has subject verb agreement error. And another error, idiomatic error, it should be as many as. So option D out. Every 32 people now has one microcomputer, fine, and 4 times as many as 4 years ago. Actually it is incomplete. What it seems that we are comparing number versus years. 4 times as many as 4 years ago. So the before that we are talking about computer, and second side it is about time. So it should be it was 4 years ago. That could be the better option. So E out, C becomes best option.